Hello everyone, my name is Abu Slim and welcome to my channel. In this video, we'll be discussing about the interface of Scratch. So there are multiple portions in the Scratch interface. The first thing that you can see is the command section. This is also known as code snippet. So whatever instruction that you want to implement in your program, you can select that instruction from this area. So you can see there is the first option here is motion. So if you want to move your object, you can use motion. If you want to display something, you can use look option. If you want to insert a sound in your game, you can use this. If you want to insert an event, for example, if you want something to happen when a specific button has been pressed, you will be using this events option. Similarly, if you want to do some logical working in your program, for example, you want to implement conditional statement, you will be using these control. You can also implement loops from here. Similarly, you can use sensing option, then there are operations, then there are variables. So all these things are very simple. We'll be discussing them soon in upcoming videos, but right now we'll be discussing about other uh, portions in Scratch. This area at the center is the area where we implement our code. So right now you can see here at the top right corner, there is a cat. So right now we are implementing the code on this cat. Whatever you see here in this portion is the object on which we'll be implementing the code. Okay. So in this uh, area, you can place your commands. For example, I want something, my cat to say hello. So I'll be placing this command from this here, from right side to this place. You can also delete blocks. So right now I'm not doing anything, so I'll be deleting the the block. Similarly, you can implement other functionalities here. The next thing is the stage area, which is at the top right corner. This is the area where you can see this cat, which is moving right now. So this is the area where your characters will be placed, and you can see the execution here. Okay, there are two buttons. One is the flag button, which is to start something and to start your program, and the stop button to stop your program. Then you can see there is a sprite option. Sprite is basically a 2D image that we'll be using in this Scratch platform. There are no 3D objects available here, so we'll be dealing with 2D objects. So sprite is basically a 2D image that we'll be using. So sprite one is a cat. You can also insert other cats from here, and we'll be discussing those things, how to insert background, how to insert other sprites, how to insert your customized sprite in the upcoming videos. Is if there is any question, you can ask me in the comment section. And if you have liked the video, please click on the thumbs up button and please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.